Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss how missing data can be found in Pandas and how to fill with default values in Pandas for the missing data. Okay. So that we are writing a code snippet for that. Just import number as NP and import Pandas as PD as usual. Now we are going to create a dictionary. As you all know, we can create a dictionary with the help of braces. Within the braces, I will give name of the row, and in which I am giving some values for that row. After the column, I can put the values within a list, that is 1, 2, none. That is third value is none. Then I am going to create another key value, that is of B. That is B. And for this B, I am giving some values as list, just like within the square bracket 5, NP, none. I should give here NP, and here also NP, none, NP, none again, because two values are missing here. And after that I have to create one more key value, that is of C, and for the C value I am giving some not null values, like within square bracket I am giving 1, 2, 3. Okay, but now I have created this, it is created now, and I will check what is PF, what is DF and PD, how DF can be created here. DF equals PD dot data frame of D for dictionary. This is the dictionary. Now we are going to check what is going to happen for this DF, how this DF is displaying here. It is created just like first key value is A. The key values are a pair of columns A, B and C, and for the A column there are 3 values, that is 1, 2 and none, and for the B value there are 2 values, for which only one is not null and other 2 values are given as null values, and for C column all the values are not null values. Okay, now we have created a dictionary for this. Now we are going to check what is going to happen if a drop in a value is used. Okay, df dot drop in a function. Okay, we will check what is drop in a function. Now A, B, C, because it will show if any of the null value for the this is the column, it will be omitted. Okay, it will be omitted, so that we are just getting this first row, that is for which for row 0 A, B and C values are not null. That is why it is displayed in this drop in a function. Okay, and if you are using this, in this case is taken as row wise case, and if we want to take this as column wise case, we should give as just like df dot drop na of axis equals 1, because for which for default function everything is working in the case of in terms of row wise, but if we want to do this in column wise, we have to give this axis equals 1 option for each and every command in this Pandas. Okay, now we can see that this is taken in the case of column, and when we search out that this column C 1, 2, 3 values are not null, so that it is taken as the column as the result, and its values 1, 2, 3 are not null values. Okay, now I think that you got how this is working well, and then give one more command, just like df dot fill na, that is filling the values. Okay, fill na, then within parenthesis we have to give value equal, we just want to know that we are giving this thing just like values. This is for your information how this is happening here, that's all. Okay, now we are going to check what is going to happen here. Instead of non value, all the null values are filled with a fill value string. Okay, string constant value. Okay, and if you want to fill this column or not null column with a different value, we have to write a command just like you would just look what is going to get here. Therefore, A, that is I want to fill the column of A only, and I am using this fill NA function. Then I am giving value equal. Then I am taking the mean value of the column A. Okay, df of A dot mean function. Okay, this dot A mean function. I think that you will get how this is working, and I can explain this way. We are trying to fill the column of A value, A column for the data frame, and what the value you have to provide is value equals df of A dot mean function, which means that it would fill the column of A value. If column of A value, for the null value it would replace the null value with the mean of the other two values of column A itself. Okay? The value of A column will be filled, or the null value of A column will be filled, because we have taken here it as df of A dot fill NA function, and which value it is going to put is the value of other values from the same column, and by taking its mean value, it would be filled with the null position. Okay, we will check what is going to happen over here. So it is displayed as 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1.5. It was the non-value or the null value for the A column, but it is now filled with the mean value of the other two values. Other two values were 1 and 2, and by taking mean value for these two values, we are getting a value of 1.5. Now, I think that you got an clear idea how to fill these types of null values with a different value, and this is very much important in the case of data validation and data evaluation in the case of data science. Okay? Now you have to check out what are the other functions. We can make use of these types of functions using this fill NA function. It is very important in terms of data validation. Okay. Now we will wind up for today. With this video, we will come with another video with some useful information for you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.